Let me tell you how this little device stops scumbag burglars from ransacking your home or maybe your business. You see, what these clever little devices are that sit somewhere like the corner of a room, it's called a motion sensor. In this particular case, this one is a wireless motion sensor. You see, how they work is quite simple. The sensor will sit in, say, a corner of a room, whether it be, say, a dining room, a lounge, a kitchen, an upstairs landing, and basically work 24/7 to detect unwanted intrusion. What I'm going to do is set the alarm system from my phone here. For the demonstration, we're using the Godfather security system. It's a DIY security system that you can fit yourself and you can take control of your own security. So from the app, I can click the arm button and then it sets the alarm system from wherever you are across the globe, as long as you've got internet connection. So let's imagine I'm a burglar who's just forced entry through this door. Well, the moment I step into the house and the kitchen motion sensor sees me, starts the intruder alarm. The alarm is now triggered.
System alarm.
The external siren's ringing outside. I'm getting notifications to my app and the internal siren of the house is triggering as well. So there you can see how these incredible little devices protect your home 24/7. They do an amazing job of scaring off burglars, but more importantly than scaring off any potential intruder is actually alerting you to the danger. That's something sometimes people get wrong about security systems. No, it doesn't physically tackle an intruder to the ground, but what it does is it lets you know that there's an intruder trying to gain access to your space and alerts you as early as possible. Trust me, the last thing in the world that you want is to only know about a burglar breaking in when they're standing over your bed and you wake up to the sight of it. It's horrific. Unfortunately, in 12 years being a security engineer, I've seen it happen far too often, and then customers get security after the fact rather than before to protect themselves. It's something that you don't need until you need it. So now you know how these incredible little devices stop scum burglars from having free reign and access to your home. And the great thing is now about security is you don't need expensive installers to install systems for you. This system that we've been working on today is the Godfather security system, a DIY security system you can fit yourself. I'll leave a link for it in the description. So if you are interested in a DIY security system, it'd be amazing if you could check it out. It's really easy to fit. You follow the YouTube video demonstration on how to fit it. It's got 5-star reviews across the board and is helping people take control of their own security without the expensive monthly subscription fees, because there are no subscription fees with this system. But regardless of whether you use the Godfather or a different type of system, if you need any help with security at all, I'm here anytime. I've pretty much worked on all security systems you could imagine over the last 12 years. Message me on Instagram, drop me a comment on YouTube, and I'd be more than happy to help you. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.